Yeah, hi. This is a Samsung fridge freezer from the RS8000 range. There are two versions of this, one is plumbed in, one is without. This version is the plumbed in one. The only differences are you get a metal cooling plate at the back. It hasn't got the water tank inside of the fridge, and it comes with a filter. As you can see, there are no handles poking out. The exterior looks and feels smooth and sleek, and the surface makes it easy to clean. It does come with all of the necessary tools you need, with a reasonably long pipe so you can plumb it in. It also comes with a filter, which you might need to change once every 6 months to a year. Depends on how much you use it. The capacity is huge. Before we bought this, we had a 50-50 200 centimeter tall freezer and an under counter fridge, and everything fitted in, and there was so much more space in it. Samsung has utilized the space with the baskets and the shelves brilliantly. You can control the precise temperature of the fridge and the freezer with these buttons. It has got options for water, crushed ice and cubed ice, and you switch between them by pressing whichever option you want. Once everything is working, it takes about a day or so for the ice bucket to be full of ice. So don't expect it to be filled within the first couple of hours. There are some accessories that come with it. The bucket is, if you're not going to use the ice maker, you can put that on. And the tray is for the bottom drawer, where if you don't want the drawer, you can just use the tray. Overall, this is a fantastic fridge. It's very practical, the capacity is huge. Unlike most Samsung units, it has got the 5-year guarantee and the 10-year on the motors. Yeah, boy!